We are proud to have another very strong operational quarter. Our order intake, for example, year to date grew by 20%. And to give you an idea about the quarter itself, so Digital Industries order intake grew by 32%, Smart Infrastructure by 26%. What we are very proud of is our free cash flow. We have another very, very strong free cash flow of 2.3 billion. And this makes us really confident for the full fiscal year. The demand is still very, very strong, as you can see from our order intake. So we see a demand from all regions. The only thing is for Q3, the demand from China was flat due to the lockdown in April and May.
Moving ahead in terms of visibility from here, are you seeing any signs of weakening industrial demand? There are recession concerns floating around the world, and you, of course, should have some great insight into how your customers are feeling.
So if you ask me, and we made a deep dive in all the verticals and all the markets which we are serving for the next 3 to 4 quarters, the signs are still up. So we see a strong demand from all the verticals, no really sign of any kind of recession so far. We have to stay tuned, of course, because we have to see how the supply chain are maybe relaxing over the time, how the high energy price in Europe is affecting the market. But so far, we see a strong demand. Fact is that since we are in the B2B business, in the investment business, we still see a strong demand. I do believe this is triggered by the demand for more sustainability, less CO2 emissions, as well as digitalization and automation, which plays into our hands. This is our portfolio, this is our strategy, so therefore our markets are so far intact.
Can you break down for us what you're seeing in terms of inflationary pressure across personnel, supply chains, logistics, all of your inputs?
Yeah, if you look forward, let me start with labor. Overall, globally, we are planning for 23 with a labor increase of something like 5 to 6%. Depends, of course, on the countries. The price inflation of the market sits on a level of roughly 5%. So that's what we have. Of course, it differs again from country to country. And let's see how the market develops. We saw a kind of a positive sign from the United States, as you know. So this is what we are planning for going forward.